Here's how to play Roblox on the school Chromebook. Now, I'm doing a giveaway. If you're interested, just make sure to join my Discord down in the description, do all the steps, and then you'll be able to join. Now, make sure to smash the like, subscribe, and bell button. And don't forget to comment your favorite game in Roblox. Go ahead and type in educationbluesky.com and hit enter and wait for it to load. Now, as you can see, Roblox is loading up here and it says launching game. So all we have to do is wait. Now make sure you've turned on your ad blocker, any ad blockers you have, just to make sure that it works and works perfectly. So now it's going to load it like it loaded a now.gg site. As you can see, it's loading it at the top right hand side. So you can log in and play with this tile. This is a different way. Now you can also go ahead and type in self, and then you add steady, and then you add brain, and then you do .com, and then go ahead and hit enter and wait for it to load. Now once again, it's going to tell you launching game. Always going to restart, and then it's going to send you right into the game. So once again, you can go ahead and log in, and then once you log in, you'll be able to play. Now you want to go ahead and type xn:31, and then you go ahead and type byd1i.net, and then hit enter. Now it's an Arabic syllable, so that's how you type it in English or in English characters. Now it's going to launch your game again, and once again I'm going ahead to disable my ad blocker. I'll turn that off, and then it's going to load me right into that game. Now Roblox is loading. As you can see, it says playing as guest. Now once it's downloading, I'll see you guys there. So here are the on-screen keys that we see for Roblox: WASD, and then there is space here, meaning that you could use your keyboard to play, unlike the normal version that could be on your Chromebook. So once again, it's going to ask you to log in, and then once you log in, you should be able to play Roblox just like the previous ones. So now go ahead and type in mathspots.com. Remember, there is an S after the math, and then there is spots.com. Go ahead and hit enter and wait for that to load as well. Now my ad blocker is already disabled because I've disabled it several times, so it's just going to load me right into the game. So here, as you can see, it's asking me to sign up or log in. It's the same thing, so I can just go ahead and log in or sign up, and then it's going to take me right to that game. And so if one does not work, another should. And so now go ahead and type in y93games.com and then hit enter and wait for that to load. So here is Roblox. As you can see, you can click on that and then wait for that to load. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and click on play now, and then you can wait for that to load as well. And so as you can see, it's logged you into a new system, and then it's loading Roblox in the top right hand side. The background should be back here really quickly, and then it should get you going. As you can see, Roblox is now loading up with the keys at the side just like the previous ones, and then all we have to do is wait for it to log us in. And then as you can see here, we've been logged into Roblox, and we can choose any game and continue playing. Now go ahead and click on Google Chrome browser at the bottom side here. Now once you click on that, go ahead and type apk space mirror and then hit enter. Now make sure you click on the link that says www.apkmirror.com, and that's the first one in my link, so I'll click on that. Now once it loads up, you want to navigate to the search bar at the top here and type in Roblox. Once done, hit enter. Now as you can see, it shows us the different versions of Roblox and the updates over time. However, the latest one for me is on November 10th. So choose the latest one for you and then click on the download button at the right hand side. Once done, we want to scroll down. Now as you can see, there are two versions here. There's the bundle, and then there is the APK and Ash font. We want to go ahead and select the APK and Ash font right here. Now click on that one and wait for it to load. Now once here, as you can see, it says download APK. Now I want to go ahead and click on the download APK button right here. Now once we select that, it's going to load us into our files. We want to go ahead and save this to our downloads, so we're going to click on save. Now all we have to do is wait for it to finish downloading, and then we can proceed. Now once you're done downloading the file, just go ahead and click the folder icon at the bottom here, and then go ahead and click on downloads at the left hand side. Now go ahead and right click the Roblox folder and then click on rename. Now what we want to do is hit backspace, leaving just the .apk there, and then we want to type Roblox. So at the end of the day, we should have Roblox.apk. Now hit enter, and then it should be renamed. Now once you're done, go ahead and right click this and then click on copy. Now we want to go ahead and select the Linux files on the left hand side. Once you select that, go back in here, right click, and then click paste. Now once we're done with this, we can move on to the next step. Now hit the search bar and type in settings. Once in settings, click on advanced, and then scroll down and click on developers. Now turn on your Linux development environment, and once the screen or the interface pops up, go ahead and click on next. Now feel free to change your Linux development environment name to whatever you please, and go ahead and customize the size of your Linux development environment. I'll leave mine at 20 because I use Linux a lot, and then I'll hit install. Now all you have to do is wait for the Linux terminal to finish installing. Now go ahead and click on your launcher and type in settings. Once done, click on enter. Now once it loads up, go ahead and click on advanced, scroll all the way down to developers, and then click on your Linux development environment. Now look for develop Android apps. Now some of your Chromebooks might not have this because it does not support it, but if your Chromebook supports it, it should have it. So go ahead and click on it and make sure to enable ADB debugging. It's going to ask you to restart and continue, so just make sure to do that, and then once you're done, you can continue the video. Now copy the link down in the description to go to my website. Once you're at the website, go ahead and copy the first code which says check Debian version. Right click this into your terminal and hit enter. Now anything from 10 to 12 should be fine. Anything below 10 I have never tried, and anything above 12 I don't think exists. So make sure you're within the range from 10 to 12. Now once you're done with that, go ahead and type in sudo apt-get install android-tools and then -adb and then hit enter. Now once you're done with that, it's going to ask if everything is done. Mine is already installed, so there's no need for me to do anything again. However, you might have to hit Y and hit enter for yours. Now once you're done with that, go ahead and type in adb and then click connect space 100.115.92.2, and then you have to bring a colon, and then you bring 5555, 4 5s, and then you hit enter. Now for some of you this might not work, and for others this might work, but you want to go ahead and allow the USB debugging. Click on OK. Now once you're done, it says started successfully. Now for those that it says failed to authenticate, as you can see down here, you can go ahead and type in adb starts space starts server -server and then hit enter. For this, it should start everything perfectly. Now once you're done, you want to go ahead and type in adb install, and then you want to bring the colons, and then you want to type in the file name that we just did. Type in Roblox and then do .apk and then bring the next colon. The reason why I let us type the codes is because it might be different for each and every one. Go ahead and hit enter and then wait for it to say. Now as you can see here, it says error more than one device / emulator, and that is why I put the error codes down here. Most of you might be getting different errors and different results. That's why I put these errors here so that you guys can learn from them. Now as you can see, my error says that more than one emulator, and it's the same thing here. So I'm going to copy this code right here to solve my problem. I'm going to copy it and then I'll paste it right in my terminal. Now once again, you want to go ahead and change the file name to Roblox because that is what we've been asked to do, and then hit enter and then wait for it to finish downloading. Now it says performance streamed install. All we have to do is wait for it to finish. Now once it says success, go to the bottom left corner and click on the launcher and then click on Roblox.
Now Roblox is loading on my Chromebook and it's going to ask me to sign in or log in. So I'm going to log in and then I'll see you guys on the other side. Now once I'm done logging in, it should bring me to the home page. Now feel free to select any game to play and enjoy.
Now go back to my website. Make sure to click the link down in the description to go to the site. This is the link. Once you're here, just go down and scroll all the way to the bottom. Now look for second formula, which says null.gg link. Now what you want to do is copy this link, hit Ctrl+C, go back to the new tab, and then Ctrl+V to paste it back. Now all you have to do is hit enter. Now as you can see, the game is loading at the top right hand side. It's going to come in just a few. Once the game loads up, it's going to say playing as guest or whatever it is. So once the game loads up, it's going to ask us to either sign up or to log in. I'm going to click on login, and then I'm going to log in and see you guys on the other side. Okay, now once you've logged in, it's going to pop up in the home page. This is exactly where you want to be. So I'm going to select just a simple game just to show that this actually works on your Chromebook. So let's select something like Adopt Me and then click play. Now the best part about this is that it allows you to use your keyboard and your mouse, which might not be allowed on the the normal Android version. And so this is one big thing that I like about this version of Roblox on a Chromebook. So I'm going to click on play, and I'm going to click on parent, and then it's going to load up just very quickly. Now once you're here, you can just click on no thank you, please close this. Let me turn around, and then the settings are pretty much straightforward. Also, it allows you to record down in the bottom hand side here, which is also best if you're a streamer or a gamer. And yes, basically this is how to get Roblox on the Chromebook. This is the second method to getting Roblox on a Chromebook. I like this method and I like the first one just as much. Here is a short gameplay of Roblox on a school Chromebook. Hey, make sure to smash a like, subscribe and bell button, and come join my Discord down in the description if you face any problems.